Hey guys, this is Saurabh Nahar here from All About Technologies and you're watching the gaming review on Lenovo A7000. But before we start, the battery is at 84% as you can see it over here. Also, I'll turn on the stopwatch and let's check the temperature. So the temperature at the back is around 33 degrees. That is very normal. And if we turn the device on the front, the temperature is about 32 to 33 degrees. So even that is very normal. Now let's start the gameplay. So by default the graphics are set to high. We will try to play the game in high graphics mode and let's watch the gameplay. So by mistakenly I was blocking the speaker as the speaker placement is at the back of the device. Also, one good thing about this device is that you can store all your games in your SD card and you can set your SD card as the default storage. So you can install all your games in your SD card and you can put up to 32 GB of SD card. So that is really nice. So as you can see that the gameplay on this device is very nice. It is very smooth. I never noticed any frame drop or lagging while playing this game, even on high graphics mode. So that is really nice. And all the graphics are rendered properly. You can see all the flares and glares on the screen. You can also see the smoke coming out of the tires. So everything is working just fine on this device. You can watch a bit of a gameplay until we move on to the next game, and I'll also play a next level on this device for Asphalt 8. So as you can see that I have played the game for around 6 to 7 minutes and the temperature at the back is around 41 degrees, which is normal because it is below 45 degrees. And at the top portion the temperature is really high, that is around 41 degrees. You can see both on the front as well as on the back. Now we'll move on to the next game, that is San Andreas, and after that we'll check the temperature. So as you can see that the game is working very nicely without any issues. I have never noticed any lag or frame drop while playing this game. This game works like a breeze on this device. All the graphics are rendered properly without any issues. So the gameplay is very smooth. I'm slightly disappointed with the speaker because it is not as loud as I want it to be, but the quality of the speaker is really nice. It is very crisp and clear and it is having that surround effect. of Dolby Atmos. That is really nice. And you might accidentally block the speaker while playing the game, as I mentioned earlier. So I played games for about 11 minutes and you can see the temperature on the top is around 43 degrees, which is very high. It is although below 45 degrees, which is normal, but it is very high compared to other devices in this price segment. And you can see at the back also the temperature is around 41 degrees on the top section. Now let's play Modern Combat 5 and see how it works like. So as you can notice that the gameplay is very smooth. I'm playing Modern Combat 5 and it is working very nicely without any issues. And there you see a lag. And it just stopped working. Now let's check the temperature on this device. So the temperature on the front is around 42 degrees after playing for about 15 minutes on the front. And at the back the temperature is around 39 to 40 degrees. So that is very normal. So this was the quick gaming review on the Lenovo A7000. Hope you liked it. If you did, do hit the like button down below. Also post your comments and queries in the comment section. Hit that subscribe button because you will be notified regarding my camera review and a full review on the Lenovo A7000. This is Saurabh Nahar here from All About Technologies. Thank you guys for watching.